To get started, first, press on the extension. You have 5 functions available in this extension. We will use extract threads. As you can see, we extracted the posts in this list. To extract more, simply scroll down. As you can see, the more we scroll down, the more we extract. Alternatively, you can use the auto function, which will auto-scroll for you and extract the data. Let's try it out. Once you're done, press stop. Now, to export this, press Export Data. You can export it in many different ways. I will export it as HTML. After exporting, here is all the data we extracted. Let's try one more function. Let's say we want to extract the details on Mr. Beast. So, press on the extension. Then, press Extract User Details. Now, press Add to Export List. Then export as usual. After exporting, here is all the information we extracted.